What do atoms have to do with electricity? What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles, either statically as an accumulation of charge or dynamically as a current. What are atoms? Atoms are the basic unit of a chemical element. In other words, atoms are what make up every single thing, like everything. You can't name anything not made up of atoms. So, how do these two correlate? Revolving around the nucleus of an atom are what we call electrons. Electrons sometimes detach from the atom and create a surplus of protons. These electrons are what we call free electrons. Due to the separation of positive and negative charges, static charge is created. This is what we call electricity. Here is further explanation on this topic.
The electrons are bound to the nucleus by the force of attraction between the negative and positive charges. But in some substances, the electrons in the outer orbit are not very tightly held, and they can be dislodged fairly easily. An atom which has lost some of its negatively charged electrons is left with a surplus of protons in its nucleus. So the atom is now positively charged. A charged atom is called an ion. When the electrons are discharged, they are called free electrons, and all electrical effects are caused by the movement of these free electrons. You remember the aluminum atom. Aluminum is a substance with easily dislodged electrons, and so is called a conductor. Silver, copper, and aluminum are examples of good conductors, while rubber, paper, and wax are examples of poor conductors. So although it's difficult to say exactly what electricity is, we now know that electrical effects are caused by the movement of the negatively charged electrons. And this is the basis of everything we shall learn